Oh, hello there. Don't mind me. I'm Archibald Mouse. I'm the new lighting operator here at Questors Theatre. I'm really experienced. Obviously, they wanted the best of the best. Oh, all right, you caught me. I'm not really the new lighting operator. I'm hiding here because I've heard that Dick Whittington and his cat have come to clear all the rats out of London. And well, I'm a mouse. I don't want that big horrible cat thinking I'm a rat now, do I? I mean, this stuff doesn't look difficult. I bet I could do it. You just press a button and the lights come on, right? Oops. I better get out of here. You're on your own. Laters, taters.